Given the value of Rydberg constant is 10 to the power of 7 per meter, the wave number of the last line of the Balmer series in hydrogen spectrum will be. Okay. Now, the wave number of the last line of the Balmer series in a hydrogen spectrum is given by, that is 1 by lambda, which is equal to R times 1 divided by 2 square minus 1 divided by alpha square is equal to R divided by 4. So, we can write this one as 1 divided by lambda is equal to that R value they are going to given, it is 10 to the power of 7 per meter, that is 10 to the power of 7 divided by 4. Then we get the value 10 by 4 is nothing but 0.25 into 10 power 7 per meter. So 0.25 into 10 power 7 per meter, option C is the right answer.